Hello there, welcome to Suffolk Apple. We're thrilled to have you join us today. Today we're peeling back the layers of the versatile and nutritious world of bananas. This humble fruit has so much more to offer than meets the eye. This popular fruit has a rich history, numerous health benefits, and some intriguing botanical traits. From the bustling markets to your kitchen table, bananas have a story to tell. So, let's embark on this banana journey together. We'll explore its origins, its journey across the globe, and its impact on our daily lives. Bananas, scientifically known as musa, are native to Southeast Asia and have been cultivated for thousands of years. These plants have been a vital part of human agriculture and diet for millennia. These tall, herbaceous plants thrive in tropical climates and are a staple in many cultures. Their ability to grow in diverse conditions has made them a global favorite. Historically, bananas were first domesticated in Papua New Guinea around 7,000 years ago. This early cultivation marked the beginning of a long journey for this fruit. They spread to Africa and later reached the New World via explorers and traders, becoming one of the most widely consumed fruits globally. The banana's journey is a testament to human ingenuity and trade. Today, bananas are enjoyed worldwide, from simple snacks to key ingredients in various recipes. Their versatility in the kitchen is unmatched. Beyond their delicious taste, bananas offer some impressive health benefits. They are a powerhouse of nutrients that can enhance your well-being. First, bananas are rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and support heart health. This essential mineral is crucial for maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. Second, they provide dietary fiber, aiding in digestion and promoting gut health. A healthy digestive system is key to overall wellness. Third, bananas contain vitamins like B6 and C, which boost the immune system and support brain health. These vitamins play a vital role in keeping your body and mind in top shape. And fourth, they are a great source of natural energy, perfect for a quick snack before or after a workout. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts often rely on bananas for a quick energy boost. Let me share a little story. Bananas have a special place in my heart and my kitchen. I once made a batch of banana pancakes for a family brunch. The aroma filled the house, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The natural sweetness of the bananas, combined with a hint of cinnamon, created a delightful dish that quickly became a family favorite. It's amazing how such a simple fruit can bring so much joy. Now here's an unusual fact. Bananas are technically berries, and the banana plant is actually the world's largest herb, not a tree. This fascinating botanical fact often surprises people. Now, I have a challenge for you. Let's get creative with bananas. Try incorporating bananas into a new recipe this week. The possibilities are endless, and you might discover a new favorite dish. Whether it's baking banana bread, making a banana smoothie, or adding slices to your cereal, get creative and share your results with us in the comments. We can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks for joining us on this banana journey. We hope you enjoyed learning about this incredible fruit as much as we did. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our exciting content. Your support means the world to us. What plant should we delve into next? There are so many fascinating plants out there and we want to hear from you. Let us know in the comments below. See you next time. Your suggestions help us create content that you love. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the world with us. Bye for now. Until our next adventure, keep discovering and enjoying the natural world around you.